Governor Meyer eliminates $50 million in medical debt for Delawareans. Imagine a state where the weight of medical bills doesn't hold you back, where seeking care doesn't mean sacrificing your financial security. That's the vision Governor Matt Meyer is bringing to life in Delaware, with a groundbreaking partnership aimed at eliminating medical debt. But here's where it gets truly remarkable. This initiative isn't just about helping a few. It's about lifting the burden off thousands of Delawareans. Today, Governor Meyer announced a collaboration between the state of Delaware and the national nonprofit Undue Medical Debt, utilizing $500,000 in state funds to wipe out up to $50 million worth of medical debt for an estimated 17,000 or more residents. This ambitious plan was a cornerstone of Governor Meyer's FY 2026 budget, reflecting a deep commitment to addressing one of the most pressing issues facing working families today. In addition to this debt relief partnership, Governor Meyer signed two significant pieces of legislation. The first aims to protect tenant records, while the second ensures that medical debt is removed from credit reports. These measures are designed to bolster economic stability for Delawareans, offering a pathway out of the cycle of financial strain. Eliminating medical debt restores hope, stability, and dignity to those who've been unfairly burdened by seeking care, Governor Meyer emphasized. This partnership and the legislation we signed today are part of a broader strategy to dismantle the systemic obstacles that prevent people from achieving the secure, healthy lives they deserve. Our goal is to create a state where your worst day doesn't dictate your future. Undue Medical Debt will acquire bundled medical debt portfolios from providers such as hospitals and commercial debt buyers, then cancel that debt at a fraction of its value. The process is seamless for eligible residents. They'll simply receive a letter from Undue Medical Debt informing them that their medical debt has been forgiven. I'm profoundly thankful to Governor Meyer and the state of Delaware for their visionary leadership in tackling the medical debt crisis, said Undue Medical Debt CEO and President Allison Sesso. With federal policy changes potentially jeopardizing millions of families' access to healthcare, initiatives like this one are more crucial than ever in providing relief to those most affected. This program will offer both financial and emotional support to families who never anticipated falling into medical debt and are now able to seek necessary care without fear of financial repercussions. To qualify for this debt relief, Delaware residents must have an annual household income at or below 400% of the federal poverty level, approximately $100,000 for a family of three, or have medical debt that accounts for 5% or more of their annual income. Debt relief notifications will be issued in waves over the coming months. Lieutenant Governor Kyle Evans Gay echoed Governor Meyer's dedication, stating, "Delaware's leaders are refusing to accept a world where working families are held back by medical debt. It's a testament to our commitment to addressing the challenges faced by thousands of our neighbors. While we celebrate this victory, we remain steadfast in our mission to expand access to affordable, high-quality healthcare across the first state." Senate Bill 156, introduced by Senator Spiros Mansavinos and Representative Kim Williams, prohibits the reporting of medical debt to credit reporting agencies, ensuring that such debt won't impact credit scores, housing opportunities, or employment prospects. This legislation underscores the importance of treating medical debt differently from other forms of financial obligations. Our legislative efforts this year have been focused on reducing the overwhelming costs faced by Delaware families, said Senator Spiros Mansavinos. By preventing medical debt from being used as a barrier to essential opportunities, we're not only providing relief to those in need, but also upholding fairness and compassion for all Delawareans. Brian Frazee, President-CEO of the Delaware Healthcare Association, added his support, noting that while hospitals offer extensive charity care and financial assistance programs, more work is needed to ensure healthcare remains affordable for all residents. We look forward to continuing our collaboration with Governor Meyer, Lieutenant Governor Gay, the General Assembly, and other stakeholders to build on our top hospital quality rankings and ensure equitable access to healthcare in Delaware. Another vital piece of legislation, Senate Bill 115, sponsored by Senator Elizabeth Tizzy Lockman, allows individuals to petition the court to shield certain past eviction records from public view. This measure aims to reduce long-term barriers to housing and employment, particularly for those who faced eviction due to temporary hardships or have maintained a clean record since. With the passage of SB 115, we're taking a significant step towards breaking the cycle of housing insecurity, Senator Lockman explained. This legislation provides targeted reforms that address real challenges faced by many Delawareans, including single mothers and families of color. I'm grateful for Rep. Johnson's partnership and Governor Meyer's support in recognizing that housing is a fundamental right for all. Representative Kendra Johnson, the House prime sponsor of SB 115, elaborated on the bill's purpose. Access to stable housing is essential for reaching opportunities. This legislation doesn't provide exceptions for frequent evictees, but rather offers a second chance to those who may have had a difficult start. We believe that progress is a journey, not a sprint, and we must work together to dismantle the barriers that prevent individuals from realizing their full potential. Newcastle County Executive Marcus Henry highlighted the transformative power of these efforts, stating, "At the Hope Center, we witness daily how a second chance can dramatically improve someone's life." These initiatives will help many Newcastle County residents overcome past challenges and pave the way for stability and opportunity. For more information or to schedule an interview with Governor Meyer, please contact the Governor's office at govcom@delaware.gov.